live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Oh, a chilly but clear day out there.
It's nice to see some sunshine back after the clouds hung over most of the day yesterday.
Yeah.
So another quiet day today, just real typical January weather. A little bit colder than average most areas. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar right now along 295, 95, all looking fine. Skies are mostly sunny all across our area. The exception is you get out to the outer Cape. They've got some extra clouds that will continue to hang around this afternoon. But in Providence, a lot of blue. Temperatures, though, trouble responding. The average high is 37 degrees, and we're only at 30. The wind chill, 20, when you factor in that breezy west-northwest wind today, 13. Humidity is very dry at only 55%. So we're still in the 20s most areas. North Bay Manor, Smithfield, 27, 28 Johnston, and East Bay Manor in East Providence, and 27 South Bay Manor in South Kingstown. As we show you here satellite and radar, other than just some scattered lake effect snow showers, it's pretty quiet across the Northeast, especially with the clear skies here in southeastern New England. So our attention turns to this batch of clouds and snow that you see off well to the west. That's the next system that's organizing here. Will be pushing eastward, brings us the chance of snow as we head into your Friday. Behind that system will come a blast of very cold air out of Canada. In fact, temperatures up in this region, the Northwest Territory, about 25 below. And that cold air is going to start working into the northern plains tomorrow and arrive in our area Friday night and for the weekend. For this afternoon, though, we'll be about 30 to 35 on average for a high. So staying cooler than the almanac says for January the 6th. 33, Newport. 32 for a high in Wickford. I actually lowered these temperatures a couple of degrees from what I had this morning. Even despite all the sunshine, we're really having a tough time getting temperatures at or above the freezing mark this week. 31 in Burrillville, about 31 in Scituate, and southeastern Massachusetts coming in. Mostly sunny skies, much of the area. The only exception to that, again, the outer Cape, some extra clouds there, but 33 in New Bedford, and it looks like a nice afternoon, just chilly in Fall River. So we drop down quickly into the 20s this evening and through the overnight hours, and it's going to be another quiet night in terms of no new snowfall, just partly cloudy skies and a low of about 21 degrees. Chilly once again at the bus stop tomorrow morning, should be mostly sunny, and I think we'll be able to hang on to the sunshine again for your daytime on Thursday with dry daytime conditions and highs about 30 to 35. It's later Thursday night where the clouds will start to roll in, and then by dawn Friday into the daytime of Friday, we'll be watching this area of low pressure. So it originates out of the northern plains and then starts to transfer its energy offshore. And what happens once this system hits the ocean will be the big question. Right now our computer models are indicating that it stays pretty weak and fast moving. The only problem is sometimes these storms do intensify once they hit the water, and that would give us the potential for a more robust storm system, more snowfall with it. But right now we're thinking just more of a nuisance storm, perhaps some light or minor accumulations, and the timing of it, bringing some snow in for the Friday morning commute, could be one of the more significant impacts of the system rather than the amount of snow that we see. So cold, dry, I mean, that Pats game, Gillette Stadium Sunday afternoon. Bundle up, plan for an extra cup of hot chocolate. It's going to be chilly if you're lucky enough to have a ticket to that game. Your updated forecast and live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar can be found 24 hours a day on the Pinpoint weather station on Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. But we're hardy fans here in New England.
That's right.
So we don't care.
But here's what I have to know. Game time at Gillette. Is it going to be windy?
It's going to be a little bit blustery, so
Really?
wind chills will probably be in the teens. And if you're tailgating in the morning, wind chills in the single digits.
I don't care about that. I'm worried about Brady's ball going straight through.
Well, we're not talking 40-mile-an-hour winds. So
Good.
he can handle it.
All right. Thanks, Michelle.